Hello everyone, my name is Jaden from the Teenager 1 Level 4. From Teenager 1 Level 4. So today it's gonna be about digital designing. And in here we're just gonna make a quick 2D character design. It's only gonna be a face. It won't be that cool, but once you get into higher levels, it will start to look better. So you can see all of the hotbar options here. One of those is the shape one. You can create many shapes like squares, triangles, polygons, and also the one that we're going to be using, an ellipse. So an ellipse is basically kind of like a circle, but also kind of like an oval. So first I need to start off by making the face. We can see the width and height from the text over here. Now let's make it good. Okay, this is gonna be a good one. Now just make the fill 0 so it blends in with the environment. Cancel. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a couple more ellipses here for the eyes. This is gonna look a bit creepy, but just stay with me here. Alright, now I have a face and 2 eyes. Let me just detail a little bit more. Okay, that does not work. Wait, I think I clicked the wrong one. Yep, I clicked the wrong one. There you go. Sometimes it says that I need to redraw the shape. Whenever it says this, press OK, so you can just edit it. Alright. So now we have the pupils of the eyes. Now we also need a bit of a smile. And make it a bit 3D. No, that kind of sucks. Alright. Sorry about that pop-up. Anyways. Nope, that's wrong again. It has to be pretty precise. Like, I mean, we could just go crazy and then like let it be. But sometimes you also have to be pretty precise if you want to get good drawings. Right now, I'm just gonna give you a simple smiley face. I'm gonna give this guy a crown because, yes. That's a bad triangle. So it's kind of like a crown, kind of like hair. You can say anything about that. Now I'm just gonna add a couple of dots just for detail. That part over there, the one with this part here, this was a bit bended. I want it to be more straight and pointed, so let me just get the eraser tool, which can help me erase it. There you go. Alright, this will take a while, so let's just, yup. Oh, I accidentally erased a bit of the eye. Let's fix that later. For now, let's just complete this crown. Alright. Since this ellipse is pretty ruined, so I'm just gonna make one that layers a bit around it. Oh, hold up, not like that. Actually, no, I can just do this. It's easy just to do this. I can just make a bit of a, no, that's kind of bad. We can also adjust the size up here, and also the type of print brush you want it to be, like straight, etc. This should do right. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So we made a 2D character. We made a 2D character face design. And yeah, I think that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching.